excited. It'll be fun.
You're not driving right now.
That's facts. That's facts.
Stress levels. Panic attack levels. Dude, all of a sudden he literally just fucking stops. Like,
Yeah, and you can't.
that was pretty scary. 60, I'm so lightheaded right now.
Fair.
Here, Ella, pass me the trash.
Here, Chloe.
What do you think I'm the trash service?
25 divided by 3 is...
Not even.
24 divided by 8.
Less than 7.
$8 because 3 divided by...
You look at me, I have no clue. 7 times 3 is 21, so then $4 divided by 3.
It's 8. You guys just remember when we $8
Okay.
because that just adds up to 24. Oh my god.
West side.
That was easy enough.
That's the second. They just said, what campsite are you at?
Cool.
19. Okay, cool.
no.
Chloe, what are you gonna fight off the bears with?
Oh.
No, move over here. No, we're not like sleeping.
No, it's fine.
on
Just
the-
take up the entire...
I'm gonna
Chloe,
stay.
we're just gonna.
Ella, I'm not gonna stay here and like. I'm just gonna.
It's so silent.
Okay, call me weak, but I low-key feel like I'm about to throw up.
Is this what you guys are using?
Yep.
Dude, do you ever?
Jesus Christ.
I wouldn't.
Only Alec can say that. We would get murdered.
Genuinely in
Yeah.
our sleep. You would take the pocket knife. Alright, Saul, do you need help?
Yeah, you look like you're struggling.
Have you posted on your sense?
Hey vlog, so it's currently. Give me the time.
After 2.
Hey vlog, it's currently 5:32. We went to bed at 12:30, and I have yet to sleep. So that's fun. This is my
great vlogger.
pillowcase. I did it. I think it actually might have the date, but I want to say 2012.
That's
Pretty close. So yeah, it's an oldie but a goodie. Hey vlog, so I checked the pillow.
Don't get my ass.
Back up. It indeed was made in 2012. It's officially the time.
Why do you always want the time?
It's 5:36. We're currently witnessing. Oh shoot, I can't see. We're currently witnessing sunrise. Oh, that's so pretty.
Take out my feet out from under me.
Dude, what the fuck?
I don't have anything to put my hair back. Just for the band, just for the content.
Hey vlog, it's officially 6:33 and it has now become breakfast time. We've got Chloe getting ready for the day. We've got Ella making the batter, and we got Alec heating up the griddle. Ella is looking like a master chef. She's just looking so cute making these pancakes. Ella, give us a look. Give us a look in the sunnies. Wait, I've zoomed out. Yes. It didn't even sizzle. Hi, Saul.
Smile.
Guys, put your hands up so it's like artsy. Yeah, cool.
I don't think that's my band-aid because I put it in the trash. No one
Can we
else
just
has
assume it
gotten
is,
a band-aid.
please? Just so it's not anyone else's.
Oh, you're
Guys! Guys, everybody look up at me and smile.
Oh, Flipping Rocks are insane.
Guys, skipping sticks.
Loki.
Wow, epic. Quite a flat rock.
Give me love, give me love, give me love, give me love when I'm gone.
No, we're doing fine. We're level. We literally can push. We're this because of you. Watch.
Because of you. My side too. Yeah.
Getting like up at 4:30 yesterday, Chloe. This is late.
No, I literally had to lick that.
Yeah, just so
When? Taste so. Okay, well. That hit me. I felt it. And I got it on video too. You suck.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
No.
I didn't see it.
Nope.
15, 16.
Yes.
That is correct.
Okay.
Yes. I think I've seen this trick before.
Okay, pick a side.
Outside.
This one.
Pick a side.
This one.
Now here's where the real magic comes in.
Oh God.
Based on the fact that it is sunny and not cloudy, and that you have 2 dots instead of 1. Is that your card?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes, it is. Wow. I don't know how I did that actually.
How do you know I wasn't gonna pick the other side?
I
Exactly.
don't know.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
So technically, I got it right. Let's go! It's currently 11:56, and Saul has a bug in his hand.
2
I have
bugs.
to go see if
One's under, and it's like this big, and the other one's inside, and it's like that big. And it could lay eggs.
Oh.
I mean, any.
Oh, there's a spider.
Oh, great. You need to get your tent fumigated.
Yeah.
It's in.
Well,
Go.
okay, you got it?
That was shit.
But like actually, artsy photo or video, we can just skip it raw.
water. We need to wait for water.
Right?
Yes.
That was a good one.
He goes, "What do you want on your pizza, crickets?"
That one went far.
No big deal.
Did you get mine?
Bitch, pass me the rap.
Hello. This is gonna be insane. Look at this.
Okay.
Bullseye.
Whoa.
What is?
But the boots caught you.
No way.
You're wearing the
The
No, it's the boots.
Alex.
Wait, I have to turn off live.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh wow, that was epic.
The fire has been started. Here's a scan of the crowd. Oh my god. Okay, this is funny. This is funny.
Instead of,
Okay, not to like. Oh, oh, Saul, you know I'm going after yours too. Wait, show it. Oh.
Joke with no funny?
Basically,
Joke with no funny? Alright.
okay, so we're the final 2. So place your votes and put it in. It'll
Top
be in the
right
top
corner.
right corner.
It's gonna be, press
a
a little
poll.
I, and then choose Alec.
No, choose Chloe.
No.
Vote for me. Wait. Anyways, vote for me because I think I deserve. I got shoved over for your vote.
What did I do wrong?
Your water bottle is the only thing that needs to move.
My mom would say the same thing.
No, you just picked up the hella and you just like popped
Hella?
all of them.
Salt.
My bad. Did I confuse you?
Yes.
That's my bad.
Is this going on to episode 3?
No, I'm just,
22 actually. Ugh, wet paper towel.
Perfect shot. Is this it? You guys just gonna, oh.
Lick the rock after Saul spits his toothpaste.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
9. What'd you say?
What did you say?
Did you say 9?
Yeah.
I said 9!
Chloe, what do you got to do it?
Pretty damn low.
Wait, you're not slipping it all up? What?
Or you could just open your mouth and you can spit in it.
Oh, I exactly want to kiss Saul.
No, but like.
Sure.
No, but like.
Okay, it seems nice, but.
Seems like I have
Just
a good
ask some
time,
of the happy
but-
customers.
Oh, whoa! That was good.
Okay. Oh. Oh, he actually did it. He actually did it. Okay, so now we're back and both Valley camping trip is over.
On these rides, mine on the road, your dilated eyes, watch the clouds float, white Ferrari, had a good time.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly.
What time is it? We're so good. We are so good, guys. We're so efficient.
That's central.
Really?
Gotta get out.
I didn't care to stay the plane. Kept my mouth closed, we're both so familiar. White Ferrari, stick by me, close by me. You will find, you will find. As distance slow by, left when I forget to speak. So I text the speech, lesser speeds, Texas speed, yes. Basic takes its toll on me eventually, yes. On me eventually, yes. I care for you still and I will.